Hi guys, this is Ken Bergmann from Percussion Discussion, coming to you from my kitchen. I know you're all sitting at home bored with nothing to do, so today I wanted to show you how to do some found percussion with kitchen stuff. And I wrote a song for you called Kitchen Music for Kids. So my first instrument I picked was an old orange juice bottle. I put a little water in it, and I just play it like this. My second instrument I found is a cheese grater with a whisk thing, and I play this like this. Now I made my third instrument. I took an adult beverage cup, some rice, poured it into the cup, a piece of cellophane plastic, put it over the cup, and I'm holding it with a rubber band, just like this. And I play it like this. And my last instrument is a small pan and a wooden spoon, and I play it like this. Click the link below and you can hear a song using these four instruments. Have fun!